Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to give you a quick update on cryptocom, Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin and where I think we could be headed here because we are still trading at a very, very nice price level on Bitcoin, and I want to give you my opinion on where I think we're headed. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Guys, we are trading above $30,000. Very, very awesome to see. Solana, look at that. Solana almost at $30 on the day. Pretty incredible. But what we really need to focus on is Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance, 51.60%, trading at 53.6% when you look at the Bitcoin dominance excluding stablecoins. Pretty incredible, guys. I expect this to increase as we get closer to this happening, but all in all, there's some liquidity moving back into the market right now. It's very nice to see. I'm really curious to see how the end of the month performs. I'm really curious to see if October really decides to make do with the name it's been given. I really am curious to see how we close out. But let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, because having these daily candle closes above this key level here of 28,200, it's bullish continuation, guys. It's bullish continuation. When we look over the daily, it looks much more bullish. It's very, very nice. I expect moves to the upside. I expect making our way to 32,700, especially if we're closing above $30,000 now. If we're closing on the daily candles over $30,000, then I think the next move is to 32,700. I think that this is the next price target. But let's not get too excited yet. You know, there's lots of people that are talking about how we're back. The bull market is starting. Let's not get too carried away just yet, guys. Let's not get too carried away. There's lots of bullish sentiment in the market right now. I've been talking about for the past couple months. Fidelity, BlackRock, mainly focusing on BlackRock. When BlackRock decided to come to the table with trying to get a Bitcoin spot ETF, that was the green light for the SEC to play ball. And I think a lot of people are starting to understand that now. Their tune just changed. The SEC's tune changed on a snap of a finger when BlackRock came to the table. And I will like to say, guys, there's lots of bullish news in the market. There's lots of bullish sentiment. And it's coordinating perfectly with my theory of in October, guys, that's when Americans, quote unquote, ran out of money in their savings accounts. In 2021, they had $2.1 trillion in American savings. And in July 2023, $198 billion. And it was projected that in October, Americans would be out of money in their savings accounts, not having any extra income to put into Bitcoin, not having any extra income to put into the stock market. Very intriguing stuff, guys. Very, very intriguing stuff. It's something I'm keeping in the back of my mind as we move forward here with this 4-year cycle. But what I was trying to say before I went down that path is that let's not get ahead of the horse here, guys. Let's not get ahead of everything, because right now there is still chop in my mind. This is the year of accumulation where we wreck the bears and wreck the bulls. I would not be surprised if we come up to 30,000 and get a capitulation down. Originally, I thought that if we stayed below 28,200, an appropriate capitulation would be down to 21,000. But that being said, if Bitcoin decides to make its way up to, say, 32,000, and if we break above 32,000, that would be quite spectacular to see. But the higher we go, the less distance I believe we will go when we capitulate down. So say if we come to 32,700, maybe we'll capitulate down to 25,000. But if we stay around this $30,000, $28,000 level, then I think an appropriate level would be to come down to about the 21,000 price target. But time will tell, guys. Time will tell. It seems like a very pivotal moment, because I do notice these big institutions being extremely bullish on Bitcoin, but also over on crypto Twitter, feel free to go follow me over there at 333 Blacksea. I've noticed it is kind of quiet on this larger move to the upside. I think when it's quiet, usually it's a lot of people have missed the move. And that really gets in line with the theory that a lot of people don't have money to invest right now, and these big moves to the upside is institutional money. It's institutional money flowing into the crypto space because a lot of players, retail players that be, don't have any money to invest right now. So I can really get behind that idea there. But over on Crocoin, starting to make a move to the upside too. I mean, everything's green today. It's fantastic, except for some smaller cap altcoins. But over on Crocoin, making a move to the upside, guys. Making a move to the upside. I still think that Bitcoin's going to steal the show. But I would like to see us come up here and test this 5.5 cents. I think that there's a good probability of that happening. We're getting some pretty big wicks, low liquidity on this. I think this is Coinbase. Yeah, on Coinbase, low liquidity. But I do still think that we need to make our way up to 5.5 cents if we continue to make this move above $30,000. But if we do start coming down, guys, be prepared for a swift move. Be prepared for a swift move to the downside back into this zone here at about 5 cents and maybe even a little bit of a spillage over to 4.5 cents. Be prepared for that, guys. Be prepared for that. But all in all, what I'm taking away from this is good. It's exciting, especially if you're still in this market right now. You are one of the few because many, many, many people, the majority, have been shaken out. And if you're still here right now, you're going to be rewarded, guys. That's how it always goes with these 4-year cycles. It's how it always, always goes. The few remain, and that's what happens. The majority gets shaken out, and the majority needs to get shaken out so that we can be set up for another Bitcoin hype cycle. We need that to happen. If you're some of the few that are left here, congratulations. Pat yourself on the back. I don't necessarily think we're just out of the woodworks just yet, but we're getting closer, guys. We're getting closer, guys. If you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very, very active over there. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member every single month leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Love giving back to you guys. That's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.